Hello, gang. AB Savage here, right, with another video. And this is an amazing video, actually. Like, what's the crazy part? That yesterday, all right, so I had made a video yesterday, right? And I said on the video, above 152, 300s, if we break above that, I'm taking buys, right? All right, we approaching London session, but it was Asian. It was like around 11-ish, 12-ish. You know what I mean? So it's like around that area. It was before pre-London. It was way before London, right? Whatever. I ended up taking the buys. I was on Zoom with my signals chat, and I told them this 550 level is crucial. You know what I mean? So I'm closing at that 550 level. You know what I mean? If we break above it and then we retest it, and yeah, 100% I'll re-enter, no problem, and ride till next resistance. That's just what it is, you know? But that was a major level. Why? Because guys, you got to understand, history repeats itself over and over and over and over and over again. That's what I want people to understand, right? So what do we have here, right? This is that 550 level right here. This gray square I got going on right here. See how price rejected that? All right, cool. What you see back here? We rejected, melted from it. This is not a full break above it. This is, you can consider this like a wick on like a higher time frame, probably like a daily or whatever. This is a wick and then a major drop. Look, if you look left, you go left, we used it as support back here, right? In this middle part. And then once we broke through it, we perfectly retested it as resistance and did a nasty drop after that. Look more left to that. You know what I mean? The same thing happened here. Broke through it, retested it, rejected, nasty drop. Same thing here. Price came up to it. History repeats itself. So now I knew, okay, when price touches this 550 area, I'm out. You know what I mean? Like, I'd rather get out. I'd rather be patient and wait. You know what I mean? And if we got a break and retest above it, then okay, that confirms to me, okay, we're gonna go higher. We're gonna go up to 153s or whatever. And if you guys been keeping up with my past 2, 3, or 4 videos, whatever the case may be, I've been saying, yeah, everything I've been saying has been happening, bro. Like every single thing that I've been saying has been happening, bro. Like, yeah, we took buys a couple days or whatever, but what did I say in my videos? I'm only taking buys till this zone. Why? We still in this daily downtrend. Like, this is what people got to understand. Stuff like market structure, price action, and trend, it will never fail you, bro. I don't give a fuck about no damn Fibonacci, no damn nothing, bro. It is what it is. I only have these SMAs on just because they just cool. You know what I mean? Literally. I do not use them for now. I don't use no type of indicators, no type of nothing. This is strictly price action, bro. Strictly market structure. You know what I'm saying? And what's the structure of this graph? That on a daily time frame, we're still on a downtrend. So at this point, yeah, the buys looked okay short term, like just to form new lower high. But overall, price is coming back down here, baby. Like, it's over. Like, it is what it is. Like, this right here confirms everything. You get what I mean? So it is what it is. So yeah, so going back on the time frames, what timer was on? 15 minutes. Hold on. So, okay, boom. So I had these levels marked up, right? So we have, well, before we broke above 152, 200s, that was our major like resistance area, right? So once we broke above it, okay, whatever, that's when I took the buys, whatever, I got our 550 perfectly. And look, after that, price rejected that. That's crazy how that shit happens. But once I saw price come back under that 152, 200, it's like, okay, so we broke resistance, used it as support now, kind of pushed a little higher by like 35, 40 pips, and then we just gonna melt right under it. Hello, structure. It doesn't sound right. You know what I'm saying? Because if we were going to trade higher, yes, we could have came back down to 200, but then we would have kept going higher. Like, if that was the purpose of this, we would have came here, done this, and then just kept pushing up. You know what I mean? That's what it would have been. You know what I mean? But once I saw price, that's why once I closed this straight here and I saw this push down, I didn't do nothing. Albert just took a break for an hour. I waited. You have to understand, this is a patience game. There's no rush. Like, there's no rush for me to take a setup that I do not like. You know what I'm saying? So I waited after I closed these buys at TP2, because we did hit TP2 on these buys. Hold on. Ain't no cap in my rap. Hold on. What we got here? We have buys. Got in at 350. Damn, why is this shit not focusing, bro? I hate when it does All right, we got in at 350 TP2 as well. 152, 550. Damn, why is this shit not focusing? I really want you to see this. Oh. Yeah, see that? Damn. Okay, we struggling here. We looking retarded on camera right now doing this. But yeah, once I saw price, do I have this selected? Okay, yeah. Hold on. I didn't know I had that on. Turn it back on. Okay, so once I saw price break under what was supposed to be now our major support level, because remember, we broke above it. You see, we broke above that level. So this was supposed to be our major support level now, you know, for us to be able to trade higher. If that's what was going to happen, once I saw price break under that level, it was like, oh yeah, that daily time frame, it's still in the back of my head. Yeah, and I remember it perfectly fine. So I literally waited a perfect retest, dog. Like this has to be probably the most perfect retest I've seen probably in a while, in a couple months. Because if I go on the 5-minute time frame, you will see it. Because on the 15-minute, you see the wick, but you gotta understand when you're waiting on something, you go down on time frames. Perfect retest. So now this is no longer support. It just became resistance again. So it was game over after that. I just called these sales all the way back down here. Like, and then I told my chat, and look, just to show proof. Hold on. We don't care about none of that. All right, boom. So TP got smashed on the buys. All right, this was the other. That TP2 on top, that was for the buys. And then I called out the sales. Look, entry 152, 200. Last TP 151, 700. And then look, literally straight just TP1 smash. Perfect break and retest. Look, I was just talking about it there. Literally, that was in the 5-minute time frame. Literally, just it was just game over after that. Like every TP got smashed. And then I told my chat, look, just as a friend, I'm gonna tell you guys this. Thank me later. Leave a position open with 151 flat TP. Catch these 120 pips for me, please. You know what I mean? So my last CP was at 700 area, but bro, it just kept going and going. And look, I told my chat, just hold the swing trade. Like I'm not a swing trader, but this I know. Like this trade, I was confident this shit was gonna happen. I'm like, put TP at 151 flat. Literally, 151 flat was right here. And look, literally got slaughtered, and shit just what it was, you know. And bro, I've been literally predicting every single fucking move that you just gonna do every single day, bro. Like this shit's becoming a little too easy. Like even I'm starting to like be like, okay, am I normal? Like it's something wrong because you shouldn't be knowing all of this, bro. Because price action and market structure will never fail you. You guys gotta stop using all these dumbass indicators. All this dumbass shit talking about, oh, the news affected this. The news ain't no news, bro. I have never watched no fucking news, bro. I don't give a damn crap about no news, bro. I don't care about it. I don't care, dog. I do not care. Why? Because price is going to do what it does. And what does it do? If you break a support level, if you break a support level, now you're going to use it as resistance. You're going to the next support level. That's simple. If you break a resistance level and you retest it, now it's support, you're going to go to the next resistance level. I don't care what news comes out. That will always happen. Every single time. I don't need to look at no fucking news for me to know this stuff. It's simple shit, bro. Like, it's really simple shit. That's why, like, I still don't understand why people believe in all these fucking myths. Like, oh, you needed this, you need that. You don't need nothing, bro. You don't need nothing. All you need to know is mark your levels, bro. Find every resistance level there is in every time frame, and price will react to every single area every single time, bro. Every single time in correlation with trend and higher time frame analysis. That's it, dog. Like this shit is simple stuff, bro. Like stop overcomplicating it. And then you're gonna wonder why I don't see the profits I want to see, or why I can't win trades. Yeah, because you believe in all this dumb shit. Stop doing that, bro. Like just keep it simple, man. Like trading is already hard as it is. Like I'm sorry if I'm sounding wild right now, but it is what it is, bro. Trading is already hard as it is because you can't know the future for certain. You know what I mean? So it's kind of like you're taking an educated guess about the future. That's basically what trading is. Like you don't know for a fact. Like yeah, I really like this setup. Like I really believed that it will happen, and it did. Yeah, it did. But you know, like nothing is for certain in this shit. You know what I mean? Nothing is guaranteed. The word guarantee doesn't exist. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, just simple stuff, bro. Simple stuff, man. Yeah, I do believe GJ. But hold on, before I actually say that for tonight. So we have kind of like a resistance level. Well, not well. We used it as support after we broke above it, but it's a resistance level, whatever. At 158 hundreds, which is where price is at right now. So if we keep neglecting that area, I mean, I could expect low key, like I could really expect, and I won't be surprised if this happens. We get a retest kind of like at this 151 500 area, kind of, because bro, this was a crazy drop, you know, like it was a massive drop. I'm not saying we are gonna get a retracement, but sometimes you don't. Sometimes shit like this just happens. You see this? And look, price just keeps going fucking down forever. You know, so I'm not saying we could get this retracement back up to this. Remember that 151 500 was a major level. So once we broke under it, it's like okay, we could retest it and then continuation of the sales to 148 700s, or we could just retest this 15800 area, play around with it all day, and then London just keep melting. But I am bearish on this. You know what I mean? Only way I'll be bullish if we break back above 151 500, then I will be bullish again. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, that's just what it is. That's the analysis. I hope you guys enjoy this. Took some notes down, pretty easy stuff. And yeah, guys, love ya. See ya in the next video.